Welcome to General Navigation and Overview of Clarity by Rego. I'll cover everything from the Clarity layout to an overview of functionality within Clarity. Let's take a quick tour. The navigation panel is located on the left-hand side and has all the different modules you have access to. Within this section, the module name will be up top and the display area for the module will be down below. Lastly, on the right-hand side top corner is notifications and settings. Let's take a look at some of the things you can do within settings. We'll click on the icon in the top right-hand corner and click on settings. Here you can upload a profile picture. Most standard formats are accepted. We can click on General next in order to see some additional settings. Within General, we start at the top with the date displayed with two different options. And then we have a unit of measure for FTE, hours, days, and availability. CSV export allows us to use the default or an export import. Then we have our over and under allocations as well as our language settings. Next is notifications, where you control everything about notifications and how you want to receive those notifications with inside of Clarity, email, or even text messages. Once you've finished looking at everything you needed to, you can click on the X in the upper right-hand corner and close out the window. Within the navigation panel, Ideas kicks off demand management with inside of Clarity by Rego. Ideas can start the overall demand management process by vetting ideas before they go into projects to be fulfilled. Once an idea has been approved, it can be converted to a project where you can view it with inside of project tiles and projects. Projects can contain additional information about staff, meaning resources, financials, changes, risks, and issues, and more. Some other great modules to support the work that can be done with inside of Clarity is My Workspace's tasks and to-dos. These are areas where you can organize what tasks are being worked on, the ones that are assigned to you, create to-dos in order to have a list of things to work off of for tasks. My Workspaces, which combines checklists, to-dos, task lists, all inside of one condensed area, making it easier for you to work more efficiently. Resources are able to be added to ideas and projects in order to help with resource management. You can also use things like the staffing module, teams, resources, and timesheets to look over the entirety of your organization and their resources, what they're assigned to, and how much time they're spending on those individual projects or ideas. If you want to gain a full scope view of all of the different work that you have with inside of ideas and projects, things that you're working on and upcoming, use hierarchies, agreements, and roadmaps. These three modules help you identify where things sit with inside of your timelines, how the projects are connected to each other with inside of hierarchies, and what agreements have been made between projects and ideas in order for the work to be completed. Thanks for taking the tour of Clarity by Rego. More information is available, and you can talk to Rego experts at clarityppm.com.